After surviving World War II, Bernard Milch arrived in New York with little more than a few coins in his pocket. But he had a dream that would transform those coins into the coin laundry business we know today. From growing up on a farm, he learned how to fix things. In New York, he built a reputation by repairing equipment, including laundry equipment. In 1956, Swedish cruise ship the Stockholm collided with the Andrea Doria. The Stockholm was towed into port for repairs, and Bernie Milch was contracted to repair the waterlogged laundry machines. Amazed that the equipment still worked, he resolved to buy the machines himself and start a business in America. These were the days before email, and sending letters was painstakingly slow. So he decided to cross the Atlantic a second time and meet the company himself. Laundromats existed at the time, but never with commercial-grade equipment. He was the first to install a coin meter on commercial-grade laundry equipment. Now he was in business. Every week, Bernie would stop at his clients and split the profits 50-50. The store owners soon realized how much money they could make if they owned the washers outright. And that's how the business really got going. Over the next 20 years, he grew the business to cover all of North America, using his own profits to finance new customers. As a sign of his achievements, he was knighted by the King of Sweden. Each step of the way, Bernie helped hundreds of American families open laundromats and live the American dream that he was living.
I'm often asked why laundry. The answer is that it's not about the laundry or even the equipment that we sell. It's about the responsibility we have to help families build a business that will provide for their future generations. One of the most important aspects of our business is providing financing for our clients. We use our own family money. We are the bank. We don't look at a credit score. We look at the person and form a relationship. After all, you never know who the next Bernie Milch will be.